Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about how to make hand sanitizer and 3 ingredients available on the market. The best way to sanitize your hands is by hand washing, but you can't all the time wash your hands. Also, the sanitizers in the markets become more expensive and not available. So we will give you how to make hand sanitizer formula at home by professionals with both the expertise and resources to safely make homemade hand sanitizers. Let's get started. The main ingredient for this formula is isopropyl or rubbing alcohol, 99% alcohol volume. The second ingredient is pure aloe vera gel. Also an essential oil, such as tea tree oil or lavender oil, or any oil you preferred. The choice up to you. Should be sure to do it in a clean space. First, we should add 2/3 or 2 parts isopropyl alcohol or ethanol, 91 to 99% alcohol, in the plastic container or any spray bottle. Then add 1/3 or 1 part pure aloe vera gel, and mix them together well. Finally, for the scent, add the essential oil, about 8 drops, smell the mixture to see whether you like the scent or it wants more drops. Here you have your own hand sanitizer. Apply the sanitizer to the palm of one hand. Thoroughly rub your hands together, make sure you cover the entire surface of your hands and all your fingers. Continue rubbing for 30 to 60 seconds or until your hands are dry. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. And see you next time.